What's happening, everybody? We got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Cat S60. If you have one of these and it has a pin or a pattern and you have to do a hard reset because you forgot what it is, we'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete everything off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted, so just keep that in mind. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, and if you want to see something special that you're having trouble with or you can't find it, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you as soon as possible too. But let's jump right into this. So what you want to do is first make sure that the phone is off, and you have your power button here, the Google Assistant button / action button right there, and you have your volume up and volume down. What we want to do is we want to hold the volume up and power button at the same time. I'm going to start by holding volume up first, and then I'm going to hit the power button. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. That gets us right into our recovery mode, and then from here we want to scroll with the volume buttons, and we want to get to wipe data factory reset, which is right there. Then we hit the power button, then we confirm with a yes. So now it's deleting, and now it's done, and now we can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to scroll down to power off, which is right there. Hit the power button. If you do reboot it, it just loads to the welcome screen. You could set it up like it was when it was new. So that is how you do a hard reset on a Cat S60. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. And if you did, like I said, if you could like, share, comment, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, we definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.